my channel. Today I have a parcel from PandaHall. Now I haven't had one of these for a while, but PandaHall reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to collaborate again with them, and I said yeah, sure. So I'm going to unbox this for you, but I'll tell you a little bit about PandaHall first. PandaHall is a Chinese based company, an online marketplace that provides jewelry making supplies and accessories for both retail and wholesale. So they do have large amounts of things you can buy or smaller amounts of things. They offer a wide range of products including beads, gemstones, findings and tools, catering for DIY crafts and enthusiasts, jewelry makers and business and jewelry making businesses. In addition to selling materials, PandaHall also acts as a community for jewelry makers and offering tutorials and resources to help them learn and grow their craft. So like I said, this is a collaboration with PandaHall, and thank you PandaHall for sending me this. They gave me an allotted amount and I picked products, and then they send it to me and I showcase those products and do an unboxing video and a couple of make videos of what I get in the parcel. So I'll have the official tag here for PandaHall, and I'll have all the links below for PandaHall, these products, and you can pop over and see that. Don't forget to look down below for that. Now there's also an exclusive coupon code which is 10% off, and if you use this code, which I'll have on screen, YXYTValita at checkout. So that is valid until the 27th of August next year, so 2026. Alright, so I'm going to open this up. I hope that's all the housekeeping that I had to do, and show you what I got from PandaHall. Now PandaHall also sends all their products nicely packed. I like that. Temu never sends anything bubble wrapped, or you know, it's always just chucked in a bag, and PandaHall just takes that little bit of care on wrapping their products up. Okay, I only ordered this 9 days ago and I've got it already, so the shipping is really fast, and I'm really happy with that. And also they have a returns policy. If you're not happy with something, you can contact them and they will fix it right up for you. Look, I've been ordering off PandaHall for probably at least 3 years and I haven't had any problems with them. So if you're interested in any of this stuff or whatever, pop onto PandaHall. You can download an app. I'll show you my app on my phone. There's my app for PandaHall. You press on that, you download it and press on it, and press the home button, and it shows you what's there. You can look at the new arrivals, bestsellers. If you make an account, so pop on and make an account. When I press account, I can pop up my wish list, and when I go looking for things, I put everything in a wish list. So if you're looking, say for instance at this, you just press the little heart like that and it will, you can create your own name for your wish list, and then you just press add now, and then you don't have to go searching for your favorites. They can all in one spot, and I love to do that when I'm looking, because you know, you can spend hours on there looking at all their products. They've got thousands of products. Now like I said, PandaHall has wholesale amounts and smaller amounts, and sometimes I like to get a mix of both. Now my first product in here is this huge spool of sequins. Now this is, oh gosh, I'll have the information on screen how many meters this is, but it is a big spool of sequin thread, and I just love it. It's in different colors. I'll undo the packet. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? They're not a real stark color. They blend really pretty. It's like a rainbow, I guess, colors. So you get blue, green, yellow, pink, and then you get a repeat of that and a little bit of purple in between the pink and the blue. Isn't that beautiful? I love that mix. And there's so much. There is so much on there. So that is one product that I picked. Now I picked this because I want to put this is my other sparkly journal cover, and I want to add these down on most of the joins. So we're going to have fun putting that on this cover. And I think that was my idea on the things that I picked this time, was to put on this cover. All right, let's see what else is in here. Now, remember I talked to you about bulk? This is what you call bulk. I love getting bulk things off PandaHall. This is a 500 gram bag of bow beads. Let's have a look at these. These are beautiful. I like getting bulk bags. Look at these beautiful, beautiful bow beads. Absolutely beautiful. There is so many of them in there. So this is a 500 gram bag. Let's have a good look at them. Now, all the info will be in the description below, but I'll show you. They're about 1 inch long. Or what's that in centimeters? About roughly 3 centimeters. And then the hole goes through the center here of the bow, which is pretty because then when they hang you can see the bow either side, and they're pretty on both sides too. And there's the color mix. Is there, oh yeah, there's, oh yeah, I've got green. Is that different? Yeah, that's different again. It's a tealy color. That's pretty. I love how there's a tealy color in there. That's the color mix that you get. Oh, and the yellow. Aren't they gorgeous? So these are called acrylic beads. There's so many beads in the acrylic section. If you love acrylic beads, oh, you'll have a ball in PandaHall. They just have so many beautiful, beautiful products. My next product was, I think there's a couple in here. Can't remember how many products I ordered now. Oh, these are pretty too. You hop out of there and I'll show you this one. Now these are sew-on jewels. Aren't they beautiful? I'll just flip some of them over the right way. These are gorgeous. So this is a mixed pack, and I'll have the information on screen and below, like I said, in the description box. I'll try and flip a few more over. There's all sorts of shapes in this pack. Aren't they gorgeous? I love this colour here. Love it. Love that tealy colour there too. And there's a peacock one. So you get all sorts, little ones, big ones, little tiny long ones. Look at that little pink one. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful mix. I love this colour blue. They're just beautiful. The camera doesn't do these justice. The colours on them are gorgeous. So they're sew-on, and you can see on the back here where you sew through. Okay, love these sew-on jewels. They look really pretty on things. So this is going to go on. Oh, look at this one. That's gorgeous. That one. Absolutely gorgeous. So these are going to go on my my bling journal. So that's that product. Oh, there's a stray one. Oh, even just they just sparkle. Look how they sparkle. Just the white or the clear ones are so pretty as well. They've got a gorgeous sparkle about them. Love. Look at this peacock one. I love it. Look at the sparkle on that too. They are beautiful. So that was, how many grams was that bag? Oh, I just said 100 pieces for that. And my last, oh, you get your product list here. So I got 4 different products. And then in the last pack was this set. Oh, there's multiples in this set. You get 4 of them in here. Oh my goodness. But this is just beautiful. So in this, I didn't realise you got 4 in that. Please read it. Oh, so we'll have to make something with these. Okay, this is a beautiful, beautiful stamp set of these silhouette flowers, like wildflowers. They are gorgeous. I love the grass too on there. And then you get a die set too. And this has got different flowers, different wildflowers. It's got some bows and some greenery as well. That's beautiful, that set. So I can't wait to have a play with that. That's beautiful. So there's 4 sets in that. Alright, so there are my 4 products that I've chosen this time. Look at all these bows. Oh, they're gorgeous. You know, you could just do dangles with just all different coloured bows with little beads between. They look so pretty. So come back for another video and we will put some things on this journal cover. These 3 things we'll put on the journal cover, and then I will make some little tags and things with the stamp set and the dies. That will be fun to do too. That will just I've been wanting to just get things out and get into it, so I can't wait to put some of this. Oh, this is just gorgeous sequin. Look at it. It's just going to be beautiful down on my book. Beautiful. So I'll be doing that, and I'll be putting some beads on here too, and some of these beautiful, beautiful gemstones. They will look gorgeous on here too. Where's this pink one? Look at this bright pink one. They're just going to make my journal cover pop. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed looking at these products from PandaHall. Thank you, PandaHall, for sending them to me. And don't forget, down below will be all the products here and the links to them, so you can pop over and check them out. And don't forget at checkout to put my coupon code in, YXYTValita, at checkout, and you can get 10% off your products. Alright, don't forget to pop over also to PandaHall, make an account, check out all their stuff. Oh gosh, I spent hours in there putting things away into my love list to look at later. Oh, they're really pretty how they got teal colours. Really pretty. Look, the blue and the teal. Can you see there is a difference? And they're just gorgeous. Yeah, you'll be in there for hours too, but make sure you make an account, and then you don't have to go searching for your favourite products again. You can put them all in your love list. Alright, thank you again, PandaHall, for sending me these products, and I will see you soon to put some of these things onto my journal and see what I can do with them. So take care and stay crafty, and I'll see you soon. Bye.